Do you know many people are having trouble with knowing how to correctly switch their iPads on and off? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press power button. Start by pressing and holding the power button on the iPad's top right. Step 2. Wait for logo. Wait until the Apple logo pops up. Your iPad is now on. Step 3. Hold power button. To switch it off, press and hold the power button until slide to power off appears. Step 4. Slide to power off. Slide the power off slider from the left to the right. Step 5. Force restarting iPad. To force a restart, press and release volume up, then volume down, followed by a long power button press until the Apple logo shows. Step 6. Power on iPad. To power on from shutdown, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Now, with these simple steps, you can easily power on and off your 10th generation Apple iPad anytime. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Apple users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.